Hello and welcome to this presentation on Pipebots Theme 7, the emerging science of pervasive sensing. Theme 7 is taking a whole system approach to exploring the emerging science of pervasive sensing. The aim is to help focus Pipebots scientific research in support of asset management innovation, to create the business cases necessary to facilitate change, and to develop business models that capture the value arising. The Theme 7 team is shown here and includes academics and researchers from the universities of Birmingham and Sheffield. Theme 7's research is taking place in the broad context illustrated by this diagram. Across the top, we have the continuing evolution of the water industry. In the middle, we've got an iterative relationship between academia and industry, where research contributes new knowledge, and a better understanding of industry's requirements helps to shape future studies. And at the bottom, we have the development of business cases to support change and business models to generate and capture value. To date, work has advanced on 5 main fronts. A narrative has been prepared of the UK water industry's recent history and its current trajectory, based on publicly available policy and strategy documents. One output is this diagram, which shows Pipebots in the context of the current UK water industry system. The narrative provides a foundation from which to explore the cultural impact of emerging asset management innovations. Statutory and regulatory documents, as well as a workshop with industry partners, have been used to elicit a set of water industry requirements, which are helping Pipebots to identify the scientific questions that need to be answered. This diagram shows high-level requirements for condition monitoring in the context of proactive asset management. The water industry's existing asset management procedures are being modelled. This diagram shows a procedure for the execution of planned maintenance. The white boxes signify functions, while the grey and green lozenge-shaped boxes are inputs and outputs. These models provide a foundation from which innovative new asset management procedures can be developed and new business cases created to facilitate change. Strong links have been forged with water industry partners through a series of meetings that have addressed topics such as information management, approaches to business improvement, the application of artificial intelligence to data collection management, and the interface between Pipebots and developments in the field of digital twins. Data gathered here is helping to shape Pipebots' future research and contributing to business case and business model formulation. A review of governance pertaining to Pipebots and the development of new asset management techniques has been carried out. This diagram shows the sort of governance-related questions that the Pipebots team is identifying and addressing to ensure that research output remains relevant to industry. In particular, recent discussions with the Drinking Water Inspectorate have shed light on the practicalities of obtaining approval for the introduction of new technologies to clean water pipes. Looking forward, this slide shows the Theme 7's programme of work for the next 24 months, with the orange boxes denoting deliverables. The focus will be on those tasks in bold font, that is, creation of an asset management value map, then development of smart new rehabilitation technologies and the associated business cases and business models. This slide shows the asset management context in which this work will take place. In particular, it highlights the infrastructure dependencies and risks that have to be borne in mind, and the need to consider all potential forms of value generated. The strategy view of the asset management value map is shown here. At the centre is the business we're interested in, asset management. The grey rectangular boxes represent key components of a business model, and the individual branches are value generation opportunities. With all of the component boxes expanded to show the full range of value generation opportunities, The map can be used to identify potential links between opportunities, which will contribute to the formulation of business cases and business models. So that's our whistle-stop tour of Theme 7's work to date and future plans. If you have any queries or comments, in the first instance, please contact the people shown on the slide. And thank you for listening.